Today's your political science new chapter starting. Chapter name is Challenge to and Restoration of the Congress System. Before starting, I want to tell you this chapter in introduction. During the during the 1960s, the Congress system was first challenged by other parties that was more powerful and less divided than before. The Congress found it difficult to retain its dominance. It also faced challenge from within as the party could no longer accommodate all kinds of challenge. So this chapter describes how the political transition took place after Jawaharlal Nehru, and how the opposition unity and the Congress split posed of a challenge of Congress dominance, okay, and how a new Congress led by Indira Gandhi overcome this challenge, and how new policies and ideologies facilitated the restoration of the Congress party. So your first topic is challenge of political succession. That time, the 1960s were labeled a dangerous decade due to some unresolved problems like poverty, inequality, and communal and regional division to be speculated to lead a failure of democratic project or even the disintegration of the country. And after the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 27 May 1964, two main questions are from the serious doubts: after Nehru who, and after Nehru what? Okay, so your first top point is from Nehru to Shastri. You look at this, your book, page number 84, from Nehru to Shastri. This time the age with which the succession after Nehru took place and provide all the seat is wrong. There was a consensus in favor of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was unanimously chosen as the leader of the Congress Parliamentary Party and thus become the country's next Prime Minister. Okay, so Shastri was a non-controversial leader from Uttar Pradesh who had been a minister in Nehru cabinet for many years. Nehru had come to depend a lot on him in this last year, 1966. And Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India from 1964 to 1966. So, student, who is the second Prime Minister of our India? Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India from 1964 to 1966. During his regime, the country faced some challenge like economic crisis due to Indo-China War of 1962. Okay, so an Indo-Pak War of 1965 and failed monsoons, drought and food crisis, which was symbolized as a famous slogan to resolve the issue like Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan. Shastri expired. Next, Shastri Prime Minister came to the adapt Indo 10 January 1966 when he suddenly expired in Tashkent, then in USSR, and currently he capital of Uzbekistan. He was there is discuss and sign an agreement with Muhammad Ayub Khan and the president of Pakistan of the war.